Hello, today my goal is to introduce cloud computing concepts and how AWS provides scalable, cost-effective, and secure cloud solution. So, first of all, what is AWS? So, AWS is the world's most comprehensive and widely adopted cloud platform. AWS was launched in 2006 by Amazon. Started with a few core services like EC2 Elastic Compute Cloud and S3 Simple Storage Service, and today it offers over 200 fully featured services from data centers globally. So let's see what does AWS offer. It offers compute power. You can run your code on cloud machines. Storage. You can store files, backups, videos, data in here. And it also support databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, NoSQL. The networking is also very cool and easy, and it also supports AI and ML tools, IoT, and some analytics things. Big companies like Netflix, Airbnb, NASA, and even startups and governments use AWS to build, deploy, and scale their applications. So, what is cloud computing? Before diving deeper, let's understand what the cloud computing is. It's the on-demand delivery of computing resources over the internet with pay as you go pricing. No need to buy servers, maintain physical centers, upgrade any hardware. Types of cloud computing are infrastructure as a service, that is EC2 and S3. We have SaaS and PaaS, platform as a service, and software as a service. So the benefits of AWS or this cloud platform is scalability, which is cost effective, flexibility and security, which are highly availability, and with the core AWS services includes. Let's look at the main AWS service that we will encounter. EC2 Elastic Compute Cloud, like virtual servers, like your own computer on the cloud. Lambda, run code without managing servers. Host a website backend with EC2 and build an event triggered function with Lambda. Storage services like S3 and EBS, simple storage services like object-based storage, block storage used with EC2, store user profile in S3, access them anytime. Databases are RDS and DynamoDB. And about the networking, it uses VPC and Route 53. VPC is nothing but virtual private cloud. You can create your own isolated cloud network. And Route 53, it's a AWS DNS service, manage domain names and traffic routing. Deployment, about the deployment and DevOps, Elastic Beanstalk, easy app deployment, infrastructure as a code, real life use cases are. Let's see how different industries use AWS. Netflix uses AWS to stream to millions across the globe. E-commerce sites like Flipkart or Shopify host their servers using AWS. Healthcare hospital store sensitive data is S3 using encrypted storage. NASA shares satellite data via AWS Open Data Platform. So checking on the Amazon pricing and its free tier. AWS follows a pay-as-you-go model. You only pay for what you use, no long-term contracts. Free tier is about 12 months of free usage, which includes 150 hours of EC2, 5 GB S3 storage, 25 GB DynamoDB Lambda free invocations, RDS which is of 750 hours, perfect for beginners to experiment and learn cloud computing. So career scope and certifications, AWS knowledge opens a lot of doors in tech careers. Popular roles include AWS Cloud Engineer, DevOps Engineer, Cloud Architect, Backend Developer with AWS experience, Data Engineer using AWS services like Redshift, Blue, Athena. AWS certifications are highly valued. AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner is a beginner level certification. AWS Cloud Solutions Architect Associate, AWS Developer Associate, AWS DevOps Engineer. These certifications are globally recognized and boost your resumes. Conclusion is that AWS is a powerful, reliable, and scalable cloud platform. You can host apps here, you can store data, manage networks, and much more. It supports business of all sizes, from startups to global enterprises, which start with AWS free trial and build hands-on skills. It also explores with the certification if you are serious about cloud careers. And the final tip for you guys, like practice with real-time mini projects, host a static site, set up an EC2 instance, or create a Lambda function. Learning by doing is the best way. And you can show AWS if I am able to show you a live demonstration. I can show you the AWS console, and there would be some of the question and answers that I would like to ask. So let me know if you would like slides for a live demo project. I can also help you prepare a short intro. So thank you for listening.